What's going on, guys? In this video I'll discuss about network mapper, popularly known as nmap. Nmap is a free and open source utility for discovering networks, security auditing, network inventory, managing service upgrades, monitoring hosts, service uptime, and list goes on. But you might be wondering that why do I even care about using this tool? Well, I'll give you a reason. For instance, you just set up a Wi-Fi for your house and you have an instinct that your annoying friend or neighbor keeps connecting and using all your valuable data. This is where nmap comes into play. By using this nmap, you can scan your entire home network and it will show you every device that's connected and gives you information about it as well. Nmap is also used for scanning servers and routers. As I mentioned earlier, you might think, why would I want to scan a server? Let's say that you have a website set up. By using nmap, you can scan your server and it will tell you all of the ports that are open and all of the service that are running, and sometimes you don't want to have it running as it's a vulnerability. Well, it can show you that it's open and you can analyze your server security a bit better. So with that being said, let's get right into the terminal. So in order to use this nmap tool, let's install first. Type in this command into your terminal. Type your password. Now I already have it installed, so let's clear it up. Oh, by the way, let me tell you something before I start. You just can't use this tool on any servers or websites. It's actually illegal. You need to have access or permission to scan your own networks or a website that you own or have written access to it. So use this tool at your own risk. And let me clear this up. And for this video, I'll be using my own website to scan. So type in this command, nmap space, enter the website you want to scan, and hit enter. So what it's gonna do is, basically it'll hit up the DNS server and transfer this address into IP address for us. So wait for a couple of seconds. And there we go, we have it. This is the easiest way to scan a single service using nmap. And what nmap is doing behind the scenes is, it's going to send some packets to phenomenalclub.com and it'll look at the response and analyze them, and this is what it came up with. So I've got around 8 ports on my website. These are the ports: port 22, 53, 80, 443, 2000, 5060, 8008, 8010. All these are ports on my website, and these are the states of those ports. All these 8 ports are open ports, and these are the services that are associated with those ports. So the cool thing about this nmap is it will give you the IP address of your website. So let me copy this and type this. Instead of typing the whole website name, just paste the IP address that you've copied and hit enter. And wait for a couple of seconds. And there we go. We'll get the exact same results either way. So let me explain about these states. All of these ports says open, right? But they're not always gonna say open. You're gonna see some keywords like close, filtered, unfiltered. So I'll explain what those mean right now. Whenever you come across a port is open, it means it's active and it's open to connections. And whenever you come across a port is closed, it means that, you know how I said that what we are doing is we are sending it a probe or packets and analyzing the response. Well, whenever it says close, it responds to that probe, but most likely it doesn't have any services running. So that's what close means, that it's responding but no services are running. Whenever you come across the word filtered, it means that this port is protected by firewall, and unfiltered means nmap cannot determine whether the port is open or closed. You might come across this keyword very rarely. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Until then, peace out.